Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be cleaning my son's room, and as you can see, it is a mess. He has toys all over the floor. I have clothes here that need to be folded and put away, and his laundry bin with the clothes all over. I just need to put the clothes back in there. And yeah, he loves to come in here and just play and throw everything everywhere, so it is a mess at the moment. And this is how his closet looks, which isn't too bad. But I am going to be going through his clothes and taking out anything that doesn't fit him so I can go ahead and donate it. What I'm going to start by doing is just throwing all of the laundry that needs to go back in the laundry bin and just put this in its place. That way it's out of the way, and I'm just going to be folding the blankets that I do have here in his crib. And then I'm going to go ahead and just put all of his toys back in his crib, because this is currently where I do like to have them, since I haven't actually bought a bin, which I actually need to do that, guys, because I'm just tired of seeing all of these toys all over his crib. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and put his teepee back in its place. He does like to actually play in here, however, he basically just likes to knock it down. So every time we are in here and he is playing and he's just knocking it down, I just like to remove it, and that way it's just not in his way. Now I'm gonna just fix the rug that I had here under his rocking chair, and I'm also gonna be putting all of his sweaters and jackets away and just put those all back in the closet. So all of these clothes that are on top of his dresser, these are actually already washed. I just need to actually fold them because I didn't get a chance to do that. But I'm going to be folding them right now, and I'm just also going to be removing all of the clothes that I have currently in his dresser, because I just want to go through everything and see what fits him and see what does not fit him anymore. That way I can just go ahead and donate those, because I do have a lot of clothes that actually don't fit him anymore. So I want to make sure that his clothes that I have here in his room fit him and still work for him. So this is all of the clothes that were in his dresser, guys, and right now I'm just gonna go ahead and fold everything by like pants and his shirts and any pajamas that I need to put away. That way I can organize them really nice and neat. You guys, isn't it so crazy how fast kids grow up? It seems like I buy my son clothes every week and he just keeps growing out of them so quickly. So for those of you that don't know how old my son is, he actually will be 2 in November, and I just can't believe he's already going to be 2 years old. I just can't believe how fast he has grown, and he's actually wearing 4T right now at the moment. So all of the clothes that I buy him, I make sure they are either 4T or even 5 now. So now that I finished going through all of the clothes and basically got rid of everything that don't fit him anymore, I'm gonna go ahead and donate that or possibly keep it. I'm not sure yet, but now I'm just gonna put everything back in the drawers, nicely organized, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start on his socks, because in that little drawer that I have here with all of his socks, I do have a lot of them that don't fit him anymore, and I just need to get rid of them. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now, and then just put all of the ones that don't fit him anymore inside this bag. Here is all of the clothes that I'm gonna get rid of, and also all of the socks and bibs that don't fit him anymore. So now it's time to go ahead and start organizing his closet. And in his closet, I don't have much cleaning to do, but just basically organizing his shoes a lot better, and also going through his sweaters and jackets and see what I need to get rid of from that. So I have a question for you guys. I would like to know, at what age did you guys start putting your babies in their own rooms? Because I am still having a hard time. I mean, I haven't honestly even tried putting him in his room to sleep by himself, because I know it's going to be so hard now, because he is just used to, you know, sleeping between my husband and I. But I definitely eventually want to get him in his own room. Give me any tips or advice. I would like to know what has worked for you, or what did you guys do to go ahead and accomplish that. So I'm pretty much done with his closet, and on this side over here, I don't honestly have much, but I just have like blankets and swaddlers and things like that that I used to use for him. Alright guys, so I just finished cleaning my son's room, and I'm just gonna show you guys here how it all turned out. And I'm just so happy that it's nicely organized now and very clean. So I'm just gonna show you or give you a little tour of his room. By the way guys, I have not finished decorating it, so just bear with me. I do want to do that. But here you can see I have all of his toys back on his crib, and his teepee is now back in its place. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the closet and how it all looks now in there. And yeah, you have all of his shoes right here, nicely organized. And some of these shoes actually don't fit him, but I still haven't or want to get rid of them, so I'm just gonna keep them for now. And here are all the socks. So now he has a lot less socks in here, but these all actually fit him, and I'm just so happy that his closet is all nice and clean. So now I'm just going to show you guys his little dresser here that I have for him and how nicely organized it is now. I have all his pajamas and shirts right at the top here. On this one I have his long sleeves and just bigger shirts here, and all of his pants and sweatpants right at the bottom here. So that is going to be it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys did enjoy this clean with me or organize with me video of my son's room. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.